So I thought I'd do a quick conditioning check just so you guys can see where I'm at the start of the trip, and then I'll do them every day and then we'll compare them towards the end of the trip. So delts. Do a quick leg shot. I'll try and do these like every day and then we'll do them at the end and then we'll be able to see. So basically just want to try and hold on to this for as long as I can. It's pretty hard not to eat the nice foods here though, I'm telling you. I've had to really pick my lunch today. So we're just waiting at the airport for Andrew to arrive. It's currently 9:15 PM local time. So he's just landed, he messaged me saying he's getting his bag, so should come through the doors any second now. Look at this man! Yeah, buddy! So it's 11:20 local time, and Andy and Steph just got in, and of course they're starving straight off the plane. Starving? Absolutely starving. We walked up and down Bangla Road and the main road looking for restaurants. Everything's closed. The supermarket's closed. Can't even buy oats for tomorrow morning, so we've decided to just hit up this Italian restaurant. They sort of cover everything. First thing on the menu, I've already eaten about 5 meals today, but I'm going to squish one more in because I've done so much walking around and energy expenditure. So, you know, I need to fuel up the legs tomorrow, so I'm ordering... What did I order? Steak. I ordered a steak, so... And I'm getting the French fries. Andy's getting pad thai with chicken and prawn for extra protein because I missed out on 2 shakes today. He's barely eaten like a meal. I checked your MyFitnessPal. You had protein pancakes for breakfast, yeah, and that was it. I actually checked. We had plain food. I actually checked his diary. I was like, I'm gonna see what Andy's eating, and he'd only eaten like 1 meal today. And then I was like, the poor guy's on a plane, that's why. Meanwhile, I'm sitting there eating all sorts of Thai dishes. Absolutely amazing, fueling up. So yeah, first meal on the trip, we're just gonna hit something, satisfy the hunger, and then tomorrow we're gonna be counting our macros and probably go grocery shopping so that we can do a few home-cooked meals, keep it a little bit clean. Anyway guys, I'll check in when the food gets here. Alright, well there's my steak, pretty standard. I did get the fries, a little bit naughty, and mushroom sauce. Steph got morning glory, shredding, and a coconut. Hashtag shredding.
Hashtag no protein.
No protein at all. And then you got the pad thai with the prawns. Did you get prawns?
Yeah, prawns and chicken.
Oh, they're not here yet?
Yeah, they're in there.
Oh, they're in there?
Somewhere.
Yeah, they're mixing there. Fuck, that looks good, man.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Alright, dig in. Gains. I'll probably just pour this shit all over there.
Wow. That tastes so good.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Alright. So we're choosing the healthy option for our dessert, just a mixed fruit platter. It looks fresh though, so I'm pretty happy with this. Can't go wrong with that. I love pineapple as well. Focus. Good morning guys, so it's day 2 and I'm going to do a quick body check just to see where I'm at. I don't think I did too much damage yesterday because I was eating pretty clean. I did indulge in a few desserts and a few naughties, you know, a bit of French fries, a bit of that, those Nutella crepe things that they sell out the side of the street. But when I was eating all my meals yesterday, I was making sure that I wasn't getting any deep fried foods and just getting steamed fish and that sort of thing. So it's just really choice of way that they cook the foods. You can still fill up on really nice foods when you're on holiday. You just got to make sure that you pick the right one. So this is where I'm at. I'm really excited to go to a grocery shop so that we can actually cook some meals. Not cook, but like get oats and that sort of thing, healthier snacks. That way we're not worrying too much about what's in it, because it's hard to kind of guess what you're actually eating in terms of sauces and ingredients when you're eating out. So that'll just allow us to sort of get a bit of gauge on it. So we're going to be training legs today as well. We're going to fuel up, have a big brekkie, and then we'll get into it. So still pretty lean. I'm really happy that I didn't splurge out yesterday. So the shops here don't open until 11 AM, including like the supermarkets and all that. So it's 10:30. We just got to the coffee club. We're gonna eat breakfast here, and then we'll go do our grocery shopping after that. Yeah, they got some pretty good stuff here. We're just going to try and obviously choose the more healthier option. So instead of getting bacon and eggs or whatever, we'll just get like an omelette, maybe some avocado or something. Boom! Look at that. What a coffee. I'm a huge fan of coffee, and this one looks great. It's just a skinny latte. Andrew got the long black. Yeah, milk on the side. Skinny milk on the side. Yeah, buddy. Yep, thank you. Oh yeah. Yes, please. Thank you. So I just got my meal. I got the potato hash. It's got an egg on there, carbs from the potatoes, and there's a little bit of chorizo in there as well. I'm not going to eat the bread though. Looks pretty good. And you got what'd you get? Poached eggs with
eggs Atlantic.
Oh yeah.
With hollandaise on the side so you can control those fats.
Fuck yeah. Where's yours, Steph? So just a little tip, guys, if you guys are ever ordering like eggs Benedict or whatever, something that comes with sauces, you should probably just order it on the side. That way you can control your fat portions, because that's basically where 40% of the calories are going to be. That way you can just kind of keep the meal that little bit more clean. So yeah, just a little tip for you guys. Beautiful, thank you. This is the second half of my meal. So I just got another omelette. Spanish omelette. It's got chorizo on there. I'm gonna probably pick that off because I've already had about 50 grams of chorizo and it's quite high in fat, so I'll just eat the omelette. Oh my god, this omelette actually tastes fucking amazing. So I just picked off the chorizo because, as you can see, it's very high in fat, and I already had some today. So ordered another coffee with the milk on the side. It's just a long black. Alright, I'm going to chow this down. So I'm just working out my breakfast. So with the omelette, plus the first meal I had with the potatoes, the chorizo, and the bread and the skinny latte, worked out to be about 800 cal, 830 cal, here or there. So that's just estimating. Gives me a rough idea where I'm at. My normal breakfast at home usually sits around 700 to 750 cal anyway, so probably a little bit more fats in that meal than what I normally have, but it's not too far off my usual intake for my first meal. I usually have a big breakfast anyway because I usually train straight afterwards, so I need to fuel myself for my workout. And then every other meal's around 500-600 cal after that, so yeah, I'm happy with that. Anyway, we're going to go do our grocery shopping now. Just having another coffee, long black. And then we'll head off. Oh, I've got these shoes. What's going on, guys? We're just going to the supermarket, and then we saw the sports store, so we decided to stop in at Nike. I can't ever walk past a Nike store and not go in and have a look at what shoes they got. Not to mention all the other cool shit that they got here that we don't have, like all the shorts and shit, bags. Let's have a look at the shoes, I reckon. What do you reckon of this hat? Do you reckon I would wear this in Melbourne? I could pull it off, yeah?
Yeah, bro, that's sexy as fuck.
Not only do I collect shoes, but I collect basketball shorts. Fuck, I just came across these LeBron shorts. They're fucking dope. Definitely grabbing them. Bit of a sucker for fluoro colours, and we just walked past these shorts, and I love them. I'm gonna have to grab these now. We're just about to walk out of the store, and I thought, nah, I gotta try these on. Andrew pointed them out. They're pretty sick. I'll probably grab them. Look at this man's legs. Alright, that's enough flexing, dude. Just relax. What's going on, guys? So, after about 2 hours of shopping through the sports section, we finally made it to the shopping centre. The supermarket. And we're going to pick up some groceries now. I think I just spent about $500–600 on sports clothes and shoes and whatnot. But what can you do? It's a win-win. Everything's so cheap here. Anyway, we're just looking through this massive supermarket for some oats. This is what we're getting: hand sanitizers, chocolate, a little bit of chocolate to take home, muesli. Decided to go for muesli instead of the oats.
Look at the fruit.
Just because it's easier to eat in the morning. We don't really have a microwave or anything to cook the oats in. So it's basically the same nutrients. We'll put some skinny milk in there as well. It's actually lower fat than the oats, so it makes up for the fat in the milk. A little bit of treats here going on. What's that? Bit of donut.
That's what that is.
So hungry. Yay! So it's 4 o'clock. Our last meal was at 10:30, and we're finally eating again. But I guess it was well worth the wait. We just got a steamed fish with vegetables, so nice and clean. Pretty much just straight protein. And then we got some chicken breast on the way with some potatoes, and then the rice is our carbs for the day. Go for lunch. Alright, there it is. Fish, rice, and then chicken breast and potato. Nice clean meal. Perfect as a pre-workout meal. Can't go wrong. Woo! Just finished our lunch. It was absolutely amazing. Now we're having our pre-workouts in these little bottles, and then we're heading over to the gym. Hopefully we don't throw up. So this is the gym we're going to be training at. It's called Maximum Gym. They got really good equipment. So if you're ever in Phuket and you're looking to train, definitely come check it out.
Look at this man stretching. No fucks given, just making love to that foam roller.
You have to. Foam roller is my lover these days. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm already sweating just from rolling. It's pretty hot in here. But we're warming up properly. Make sure we don't hurt ourselves, because I've hurt myself a few times on holidays training just because I purely didn't warm up properly. You go to the gym, you think I'll just do a quick half-hour, 45-minute session and then go about my day, and you just jump straight into it, and then bam, snap your shit up. So we're doing it properly, like as if we're at home, taking our time. We've got nothing else to do later today. We've already done our shopping and that, so I'm just going to focus on the training now. So I just did my first set on squats. I'll film the rest of it. Felt pretty good. Get the blood going. Reconnect with my legs. Oh. Alright, we'll set the camera up. Control down, don't drop that last bit. Push. That's better. Come on. There you go. Up. Oh, yeah. filling up now. That's it. Can you see the lines from my brake hours? Yeah. That's it. Crap, cool. Eddy actually matches the gym equipment today. It's taking your colour coordination to the next level. Coming up on 6:38 now, and I think we've been going for about close to 2 hours now. About to finish up. Probably sweated out 3 litres of water in here, but boy does it feel good to get back into it after doing the comp and that. Everything was really tight, but now it's feeling good, blood's going. It's hot in here, so maintain constant pump. Anyway, we're going to wrap it up soon. Eddy's going slow down to load up the hammy and fast up for those fast twitch fibers.
know that be burning.
Burn like next level, man. So.
Might look like he's taking a really long time on the negative, but Eddy's just really stretching out the muscle, allow for as much blood flow as possible before he starts contracting. So he normally does a few sets like that where he really stretches it deep, and then the next few sets will be pretty hectic.
All sorts of angles. You get into a straight legs, pushing out like that. You bend the knees, full extend. You can bend down more and just do like you've been seated. Multiple purposes. That's what you want for carbs. Stretch the fascia out, get the blood in there, I'll hit it from all angles.
There you go.
Now this is one good way to wrap up a 2.5 hour leg session, is with icy cold protein shake. They mix them up in the blender for you with a banana and some protein powder.
One scoop with banana.
Woo.
Thank you.
It's good, huh?
It's amazing.
Okay, so I just got back to the room and I had my protein shake. So I've had a little bit of protein and a banana in the protein shake. Now I'm going to just have some 50 grams of muesli for my carbs before dinner. I'm going to have to weigh this out properly, hang on. Alright, so we don't even have bowls. So I weighed out 50 grams of muesli into this cup and I'm just going to have it with some soy milk. Now the best thing about eating overseas and trying to measure your foods on MyFitnessPal is that if you're eating stuff with packets, like anything that has a barcode, you basically can just scan the barcode on MyFitnessPal and it most likely will have it. So look at that, sultanas, it says it there, sultanas and nut muesli. And then you just add in 50 grams, boom, it's already got 50 grams there, look at that. 183 calories, 3.7 grams of fat, and if you look at the label here, per 100 it's only like 1.5 grams of fat, saturated, sorry, so that's not even all saturated. Carbs 29, so 30 grams of carbs basically, and protein 5.4, so that's perfect. Add that in, so that with the banana will make it about, what, 20 grams carbs with the banana, so 50 grams carbs post-workout, and 30 grams, 35 grams protein. Beautiful, just what I needed. Alright, just about to head out to dinner. Gonna go knock on Andy's door, see if they're ready. Thought I'd throw on my nice shorts for tonight. Look somewhat decent. Bought this new t-shirt today actually. Pretty cool design. Boom! So just plugging in my dinner we just ordered. I'm getting tom yum soup, and then we ordered a white snapper fish with steamed rice to share. So I'll have 1 cup steamed rice. I put in 0.7 of a serving for the tom yum soup because I'm not going to drink the actual soup. It's quite high in fat if you drink it all. So I've actually hit my calories perfect today. I can focus. So I'm sitting my calories around 2700 or 2800. So that's basically a maintenance for me at the moment. When I'm dieting down, I usually sit around 2200. So just trying to maintain. Alright, so my tom yum soup just arrived and I ordered a medium initially, and then he told me that Andrew's is a main and mine's just an entree, so I upgraded to a large, and then boom, look what they brought out. It's bigger than I thought it was, so I don't think we'll be eating too much of that. Anyway, got the rice, this is the white fish, and then this is Andrew's main, it's the prawns. Ah, seafood sauce. Thank you.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Yeah, Mel.